Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bank of Ireland mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in onlinemortgages.bankofireland.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bank of Ireland mortgage and you will directly end up within the login portal. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your mortgage account with Bank of Ireland right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account on Bank of Ireland. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.